Hello, it's Cheryl. Welcome back to my channel. Hello, it's Cheryl. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you guys how I got VoxBox from Influenster. This is one of the most requested video. It's definitely long overdue. I got DMs all the time, whether it's from my personal friend or from you guys asking me how I got the VoxBox. I thought today would be the day because I just got another one. Oh, before we start, don't forget to subscribe, turn on my post notifications, and follow me on Instagram. I thought right now would be a good time. I just keep putting this video off, which I shouldn't have, because for this video, I actually saved a ton of boxes, empty boxes, and because I knew I want to film this video, and this is just like half of them. I threw away another half already, but I did take a photo, so I will insert right here. So if you didn't know what Influenster is a platform for everyone, whoever wants to review whether it's makeup items, hair products, skincare, or anything from beauty to food to car. So everyone will share their honest review. Sometimes they want to ask you to fill up surveys and stuff like that. They call it snaps, and it's basically just asking you to review different products that you have tried. So it's basically a platform for reviews. And when you participate in the surveys and snaps, sometimes they will email you and ask you to fill out a survey. If they think you're suitable for that campaign, they will send you a VoxBox. You never know what you're gonna get, and it's just like random every time. You kind of have an idea just from filling out the survey. Sometimes they will say they're sampling a foundation or concealer or lipstick and ask you if you're interested, and also for you to pick out your shade. A lot of people would tell me, I have been doing all the snaps and participating with a survey and stuff like that. How come they never send me a box? Honestly, I don't know. If you're doing everything right, you should get a box eventually. What's most important is that you won't get a box if you don't have the app on your phone. So in order to get a VoxBox, you have to have their app on your phone. So that could be the reason. If you already have the app, then I don't really know why. Just keep trying. I can say that I've gotten probably more than 10 boxes now. So yeah, and I get pickier because I don't want to review food. So now I reject everything unless it's beauty related. Let's unbox this one, the one I just got. Usually it comes in a box like this type of box. So this one says fragile and liquid. I am guessing it might be a perfume, because I remember when I was filling out the survey, they were asking me what kind of scent I like. Wow, it is a perfume. It's a nice one. It's Tom Ford Black Orchid. This is just a sample, but I do have a full size. They always give it to you in full size, which is awesome. All you have to do with these items is give out your honest review. Sometimes they want you to review on Sephora or Ulta or the company's website. And also you have to take a photo and share on your Instagram, which I have no problem doing. This is how it looks like. It always includes a card like this, and just like sharing the product. And a lot of times they send you the newest products that's not even in the store yet, and you get to test it out first and write your honest review. So I don't know if you noticed, if you ever wonder how on Sephora.com, like if they have the newest product on the page, they already have a ton of review, and that's all because of platforms like this. So yeah, so this is how it looks like. And let me open this up. This is a brand new Tom Ford perfume, and as we all know, Tom Ford is definitely high-end. Wow! So this is how it looks like. It's beautiful. This is so gorgeous. It also has a black one. I got the gold one. The gold one is beautiful. The black one looks very classy as well. Kind of looks like a flask. Alright, so let's try this out. Just one spray, it's very strong. Smells pretty nice. I will say it definitely smells like, it doesn't smell casual. It's hard to describe the scent. A little bit floral and woody at the same time, I would say. This scent is definitely fancy. It's smells really good. I think Influenster is such a cool platform and it's beneficial for everyone, even though they send you the products for free. But honestly, if I like a product, most likely I'm going to purchase on my own after I finish that one. So you know, it's a win-win situation. Let me show you my profile and how it works. I will also link Influenster's website down below so you guys can sign up if you want some free makeup items. And it's also a great platform if you ever want to purchase something. You can always look up the reviews and ask questions. This is my profile. You can also follow me if you're interested. Okay, let me move over here and put it right here. So over here, my campaigns, it says you have 6 new snaps. So these are the snaps I was telling you guys about. Click on it and it will ask you questions, kind of like a survey. Sometimes they ask you to review some products you've tried. So you want to do that frequently and make sure you do all your snaps. And over here has a hidden one because I don't have any kids. So I don't want to do anything parenting related. And I also don't drink alcohol. That's why I hit those two. So over here has Tom Ford Black Orchid VoxBox. Here will show which campaign you're in. And when you click on it, over here has your due days. For this one, I still have 2 months left. Down here has community. These are people who have gotten the perfume and their review. So over here has discussion. You can ask questions and people will answer you. Okay, I guess details just telling you what to do in case you don't know. So over here, most important part is activities. So once you receive the VoxBox, you want to review. So here are the required activities that you have to do. Review on Sephora and review on Influenster. Post a picture on Instagram. And over here, down here has a bonus. You don't have to do the bonus. There are some rules that you want to read over. So for example, in your review, you have to include that you got the products for free and just for a reviewing purpose. After you have completed the required activities, they will give you a Tom Ford badge. It depends on what the campaign is, and you will receive a badge. Once you complete a campaign, you will get a badge, and so here are the badges I have received so far. Let's go over what I have gotten so far. So L'Oreal, and this is the Bach liquid highlighter. And over here we have Adidas perfume. I got the green one. Bare Minerals lipstick. CoverGirl liquid lipstick. And this is a huge box. This is the hair shampoo and conditioner. This is a cute box. Different brands have different kind of packaging, so I think it's super cute. I can finally throw away these boxes. They've been sitting in the guest room for so long. I've also gotten Bach's foundation stick. That's why I made a video comparing 2 different foundation sticks. It was Bach and Hourglass, and I purchased the Hourglass one by myself. So yeah, that's how you get a VoxBox. I don't know why it's called VoxBox, to be honest. Let me know if you have ever gotten anything from Influenster. If you did, what did you get? So yeah, I think I've mentioned everything. If you have any questions, be sure to comment down below. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, turn on my post notifications, and follow me on Instagram and Influenster. Thanks for watching. Bye! I look like some kind of busy intern and just don't know what I'm doing with myself.